Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hey guys, sly flex, but this is a whole video. Sly flex. Okay, it's not so sly then.
Just a little
stand right here.
We're a bit broke.
No, don't tell them that.
No offense, but you are really povo.
Thumbnail. And change.
Okay, it's just
Alright, we'll start with mine. Mine's small.
Okay, quick.
Okay, so I got a little something for Suki.
You're not opening this.
Because I love him.
Oh,
Sweet. Even though he always loses his wallet, he better not lose this.
Yeah,
Gosh.
Suki loses that.
If he loses it,
Suki,
he'll get it from me. That's right.
from all of us.
Got a little card holder.
It's so nice.
I know, right? It's so nice.
I didn't expect it to be like that.
No,
Can I see it?
I love it.
Wow, Vani.
Oh my gosh. It's so nice.
It's so cute. Oh, I love it.
Show them inside.
Oh my gosh. Look at it. So he can keep all his cards in there because he needs a place for his cards. Oh.
Yay!
Say it.
Liana, you have my tax thing too. It's in the Versace bag.
I don't know where my tax is. So guys, I bought a bag.
Go on.
With the help and convincing of Vani, Diana, and Liana. Didn't need much, but yeah. So it comes in this LV box, and then you just open it up, and it has the LV dust bag, and then you just open that, and then this is the bag. But there's more.
Oh, but there's more.
There's more.
Wait, but there's more.
Okay.
Don't be shy, get some more.
So inside is the monogram wallet.
Oh my gosh.
Both sides, monogram. And then there's also a card holder as well, which is just plain on the back. And all of this is leather.
Wow.
And then there's the bag, which has a strap and compartment. And the strap is like a gold chain.
Wow.
Wow. And then it just closes like this. And then it has like the little detailing, on the little button, and it says Louis Vuitton as well. And yeah, how pretty.
It's so pretty.
Okay, and Liana got like the same style but a different color, and it's really nice, so she's gonna show
and
you.
Diana has the same one that she already bought.
Yeah,
in my
red.
last vlog.
Which was $600 more expensive because I bought it in Australia.
Okay, let me move out the way.
Move out the way.
Make room. Get out the way.
I don't look at my best right now, subscribers, but
Fine,
I got the same thing but in a different color. So here's my little duffel.
It's called a dust bag.
Dust bag. Cut that out. A dust bag. Guys, look at the detailing. Can your G7X get that in?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, look at the red detailing and just watch this.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway,
So
so
explain the color.
this is a... Is that a stain?
Navy blue. No, it's not a stain.
So it's a navy blue with a red interior and with gold featuring. And inside comes with 2 accessories. One is the card holder, along with some cash holdings that I currently don't own. Beautiful, right? Navy color with red lining. And then another little subtle piece inside is what you call this, like a coin purse. But as a Louis Vuitton owner, you don't hold coins. So you just open this. Yep.
I put coins in mine.
And then so there's a little, what's it called? Like a
Compartment?
So there's a compartment inside, Campari. And yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Yay!
Beautiful. And then, just before Diana shows you hers, we'll give you a little story time on our experience in the stores because it was a bit much.
Liana like almost didn't buy this.
I told the lady to ring it
she
up
had a-
and then I told her to get it off the system.
And she was like, no thanks. But then
And then we convinced
her, yeah.
Well, yeah, because I was going to buy it at the same time as Dana, and then when Dana went up to buy it, I was like, no, cancel mine, I'm not getting it. So that's the story time.
And then we were like, you're gonna regret it if you walk out of here without
the
it.
lady at the cash register.
Oh, and we had to tell how we ended up getting it.
Guys, this is my first Versace bag.
Yes! Yay!
A little backstory. When I was looking at the bag, the workers were like, oh, actually this bag was designed for like Princess Diana. And I was like, because like my name's Diana. And I was like, sorry, did you just say my name? And then, so yeah, that sealed the deal. That's when I knew this bag was for me.
It was for me.
Oh, it's got a sticker on it, sorry.
It's like brand new, you know?
Can someone peel this?
I don't know if I would do it any better than you.
Yeah, because my nails are super
I'm just gonna
long.
rip the sticker.
What is it?
Anyways, I'm tying this right in my hair. Alright, so we're back. I just well, Dana helped me open it up. Oh, comes in a little bag.
Oh my god.
A little dust bag that says Versace.
Versace on the floor.
Hold on. Hold up.
Ooh.
Stop. Oh my goodness.
It's real.
Show them up close.
So it's got like the logo, the Medusa head. Two of them.
Not one.
A little lock. I almost.
Does it come with a key?
I don't think so.
Okay.
But it opens
Wow.
now. Very fancy schmantz.
So like nobody's stealing anything
No one's stealing
from there.
anything from me. And inside it has a strap.
So cute.
What else does it have?
The price tag.
Where's my bag?
Forget about the price tag.
It has like, it's small, but I like prefer small bags because I don't really carry
It's so
that
cute. She can like fit her phone and her like card
Hold on, let me put the strap
wallet
on.
thing.
Oh,
So it's perfect.
how the frick?
Forget about the cha-ching, cha-ching. Yeah. Bling, bling, bling. Forget about price tag.
Okay. Ta-da.
Wow.
I love it. Oh,
Her name is Donatella.
really?
Yeah. Like Donatella Versace. Kidding, her name's Princess Diana.
So,
so
lovely.
pretty. Wow.
The little lock.
I've named mine Milana Del Rey because from where we bought it in Milan.
And see.
And see.